In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not letting me bold text. If you have been clicking the bold button and nothing happens, it is usually a font issue, not a Canva bug, and we will walk through exactly how to check and fix that. First, click the text box. Move your mouse over the text you want to change, then click once in the middle of that text. You should see a purple or blue outline appear around the text box, along with handles on the corners. At the same time, a toolbar appears at the top of the Canva editor. That outline is your confirmation that the text box is selected, and any change you make now applies only to this specific piece of text, not the whole design. Now open the font dropdown at the top. Look along the top toolbar for the current font name, usually shown on the left side of the text options. Click on that font name once, and a long panel opens showing a list of fonts. At the top of this panel you will see the current font highlighted, and below it a search bar and a scrollable list. If your design uses a brand kit, you may see a section for brand fonts as well. You do not need to change anything yet, we just need this panel open so you can see which styles exist for your current font. Next, check if a bold style is available. In the font panel, look directly under the current font name or to its right. Many fonts show their available styles here, such as regular, medium, semi-bold, and bold. If you see a style literally called bold, or sometimes extra bold or black, that means this font can become heavier and the bold button in the toolbar should work. If you only see regular or light, that means the font does not include a bold style, and clicking bold will not visually change your text even though Canva highlights the button. Beginners often think Canva is broken here, but it is simply that the font file itself has no thicker version to switch to. If not, choose a font that has a bold version. While the font dropdown is still open, scroll through the list and look for fonts that show more than one style, including bold. Many common Canva fonts like Open Sans, Montserrat, or Lato have clear bold options. Click on a font with a bold style, and your selected text updates instantly on the canvas. Once you have switched, you can now click the bold button in the top toolbar, and you should see the text become visibly thicker right away. If it still looks the same, try zooming in a bit, because on small sizes the change can be subtle. From now on, any new text box that uses this font and bold style will behave the same, so you will not need to troubleshoot it again for that font. You just learned how to fix Canva not letting you bold text by switching to a font that actually supports a bold style. If this helped you finally get bold text working, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Canva fixes.